Kaseng Kisamla Pule Postgraduate Students Union Pgsu Hannehu Tura Campus Kila Dawa Banyo Pro-Vice-Chancellor Deputy Register Assistant Register but ki Head of Department Bapura Hakate ke Jaka Pule Jaka School Ba Nehu Kini ki kam kila thali mentala bon benai kajing bamdan kini ki officer rang ba Hatura Campus kalawan ra bon ki jing e nak benta ki Samla Pule hakani katanat jangka Nehu ka Pgsu kelas sedang ya ke jingya ki hakani ka school ba na do ka arpusan tarek unai wing Ukran better ti sangma president ka Pgsu ula ong ba kani ka jingya ki kanum penthut ya ki jing hikai ba man ka sngi ula ong ru ba unweng no ya ka jingya ki tang shu sedang yo I ya ka jing pentre kam ya kini ki jing dawa dagi bor ba penyat ya kanehu lada myo iso AA ka Pgsu kan shem daki we pat kilenti ya ki ula ong
Ukran better ti sangma Vice President of Postgraduate Students Union near Tura campus. We are very much concerned for this campus and we demand for the Pro-Vice-Chancellor in our campus because to this day our campus is being run by the campus in church, and also we demand for the full-fledged Deputy Register, Assistant Register and permanent HODs because to this day one professor is handling 2 department HODs. Also, there are other issues like construction of roads which has been totally abandoned within the campus. Not only this, we will be raising other issues related to the campus, and today we have met Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills and we have addressed our grievances and demands, and I hope these issues will resolve very soon.
Professors are over there. There are 300 professors over there.
Yeah,
we are only
3.
We are only how much? Maximum 15. Not even 15. We are 10. How will 10 people talk against 300? We also keep fighting.
Madam, I have only